Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download a Spotify playlist for offline listening. First, open Spotify and make sure you are signed in. Now go to your library and select the playlist you want to download. Once the playlist is open, click the three dots next to the playlist. Here you may see several different options, such as share and other playlist settings. However, if you do not see a download option, that is okay. The download option may not be available on your current Spotify account. Spotify requires premium for downloading music and playlists for offline listening, so free accounts may not show the download option. In this case, there is nothing else you need to click. Simply close the menu and continue using Spotify normally. If you have a Spotify premium account, the download option should be available on supported playlists, albums, or songs. You can then select download and wait for the playlist to finish downloading. After downloading, the playlist can be played offline through Spotify. Keep in mind that Spotify downloads stay inside the Spotify app. They are not saved as regular MP3 files on your device. So if you do not see the download option, check your Spotify account and premium status. And that's how Spotify playlist downloads work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.